Hi Royals, welcome back to my channel.
My name is from Cancer and I am Cancer. Subscribe to Lifestyle.
Today happens to be your first time on my channel. Click on the bell to subscribe. Life is too short to eat boring food. In today's video, I'm going to teach you all how to prepare very tasty, delicious Ghanaian traditional dish ETO. These are the ingredients you will need for your mashed plantain, which is called ETO in the local language. So before you start, you have to make all these items ready. You first need pepper, momoni, ginger, onion, groundnut paste, peanut, eggs, and ripe plantain, your water, your earthware. You slice your plantain. This is how I slice my plantain. You cut it according to the size that you want. If you want it smaller, you cut it smaller. Then you put it on fire. Make sure that your water is not too much. It should be minimal so it doesn't make the plantain too soft. Then you add salt to it. Then you slice your onion with your pepper and your ginger. The ginger gives it another taste, another kind of flavor, to the ETO. That's my secret to my tasty ETO. So try it. I bet you like it. And later you wash your eggs and then you dip it into the water for it to be boiled. You don't start to boil it from the beginning with the plantain, otherwise it will become too soft. And then our plantain is ready. So now our momoni is on fire. Yes, so when it's done, you grind it in the earthware and you start to pick your plantain bit by bit. In this video, I did a lot of plantain. Yes, I cooked a lot of plantain. So I'm going to grind all by putting it in bit by bit. But later on, I'm going to divide it and then I grind it well because it has to be very smooth. And this food is one specialty about this food is that small amount of it and you are full, so you don't need to do a whole lot of it. So I divide it since I'm done mashing it with the grounded momoni with my onion and ginger and pepper. So now I'm going to grind it to become so smooth. As you can see now, it's grounded, it's so smooth. So I can now add my groundnut paste. So this is where I add my groundnut paste. I add a lot of it because it is a lot. It makes the ETO to taste so nice. Oh my goodness, this food is so tasty. It's so delicious. You guys should try it. You shouldn't be an Ashanti before you try this food. So you can see the difference when the thing is mashed with the groundnut and when it's not mashed with the groundnut. You see the difference. To the ladies who are yet to marry an Ashanti man, please learn this delicacy to capture his heart. So then I then slice another onion to it and I slice my egg. You can add avocado to it and also you can add oil. I don't like oil, so I don't add oil to my ETO, but you can add oil to it. And then I pour my groundnut on it. So I take my ETO with onion, egg, and also groundnut. It's so delicious. So here you have it. This is the mashed plantain, a very delicious local delicacy that I pray everyone try it. If you try it, please come back. If you try it and come back to this video and comment the taste, I bet you are going to love it. For more recipes videos, please comment on the next recipe you would like to see. Share and give the video a thumbs up. Please share, like, comment. Thank you.